Neta rombere kwithirwa akirita ntumirie we urure ya report iji na kwithirwa akirita mearie we ya ukara ni yakako watambaru report iji ya auditor general kire report iji ni kwithirwa kwina mantu amaingi nara akwi billion ithato chia account ya Meru itukuonekana nara chi tumikite ni kuringana na report iri mbete kwithirwa kiumira mbete ichi ongwani na ire kaitu miribo boy kana ne kaitatalirwe kire report iji ya auditor general na woni kwa riri mantu ya ni munini wa governor deni account ya Meru ranowe minister wa kege na deni account iji Mheshimiwa Titus Ntuchiu. Karibu sana.
Asante bwana
Gichunge. Sana bwana DG no tubakona kanya kuyakwana na batwi na kurukiwe kawerone report ya auditor general. So report ya auditor general ya ndiki kuringana na report ira wewe ngo waninkanire ya minister wa finance. So how come totena billion akwe billion ithatu itekuonekana na rire bwana DG?
Bwana sana bwana Gichunge no tubomba kanya ka kuya ko shed light kana ko kamandu werune nonto manto yarara kwa sana mbere ya karuna au lakini umeba tubithe kamandu kulingana na sheria re report ya auditor general ya umre 1718 yago ikwina process ire brete kudhiga tokenda report ya rirwa berinya ya public is a public document kuma ibrete kwa committed kiri Public Accounts and Investment Committee, assembly. They committee very capable committee, bete shima sana. So yon to kona iteri on danto batu rekwari yon to totaria katu gato etere committee ite ate ituite kenda tumenya kueleza kana kuona nilia na te Kenya nere committed in the assembly even as we speak. Tinya assembly kinya committee yongo ya assembly public park itira ilia report you kende turia kuri mantu auditors ite queries ne atabukuwa then after that itu itatu wedo nya senate senators to karandiria ba to report in ate kari what are you saying about this and that those responses ichi turete lakini tuona mantu ya kuingia sana especially ya senate ekoro na it is right actually kwa Andres assembly na ibo yaga we kamantu werune lakini senator mai muchoreo kwa muchoreo tu muchoreo dirikari tutania ngwa very closely na mtoto wetu heshima sana na mtoto wetu heshima sana nyaguni so de ko na nyao kaina doubts about beje check out waracho tumura I thought maybe it is important kwaranire na kana kumenya really the name ire no as far as we are concerned kana kulinga na records yetu ni to queries tuturato ndito ba kuuria to reconciliation and there but you take control ya Meru county curate kinya general I can account for each and every coin.
But then how come report ya bwithire ni auditor general kuringana na report ira we ngo wanenkanire bwana DG kutweka ati auping mbecha chia county Meru chio kinya 2.828 I mean 2 billion 828 million 659 466 itekuoneka
kwa hiyo reconciliation.
Yes,
those accounts have been reconciled. Statement to ya financial statement na even Mrs. statement ira to tedara to na rights ba to ku reconcile at the county treasury no manga budiro Nairobi the reconciliation has been made ba to submit it to submit response to create assembly not create assembly sorry Senate in fact on 21st of May this coming month iro tuitite ku chairman na Senate kenda tomba kubanenga responses chetu lakini by tomorrow in tariki 12 all the responses that county Meru ake counties chonde Kenya ibrete kudachina ngade the report you kenda chita chikwa na our Senate so itumbete kuona ni ilia na already auditor general ni very reconcile na iba kuona ndeteka kwa na any problem.
So Senate yoro na rari report yeje na nokuwa report yetu kinyete kiri committee ya accounts ya bunge. So ni kuona ni senator kinyewe atene imani na thirikari enu relationship ya senator na Meru county executive kari yate mwangira thai
tutena thina batu na muntu ora tugire na oranga bana wetu Mheshimiwa Grito ugire na moto yoki kutenengwe na antu bondi na yungu tutore kutenengwe so I think aratu kuona maybe senator probably omba kudira meantu kwa rende to muno na muntu na ndetu ichara kwa muntu akarida we
senator kinyo na kwari
omba kwa ere karida we na meantu we sia senatori muntu omba karida we kona bora me antu ko dawo na more muno kuringa thirikari kana kwa ya negative about the government
niyo ntu senator kwa karida we na mwaka jwa mbere report ya mwaka jwa mbere 1718
bombere ankwire magitu gichonge bibio turigarinya batwe nya report ya 2016-17 thirikari rengi itiratibwo even in the assembly actually ni ndira committee ki public accounts committee niyo tukurigana na tonto kuina agenda tutukwelewa no tata 2016-17 kinyetire the assembly and 2 weeks ago ile in fact and by treasury tura responda to queries ya 2016-17 ile tari thirikari ne yetu watu the thirikari ne tariki August tariki 2017 lakini obviously mea thirikari it is a perpetual entity so no mwanga to respond nya queries ya thirikari tutakitata totario so department kwa treasury 2 weeks ago ile bacha mandirie twariria na response itirariria kinya assembly so ile otokure ni tontu ichu tu nyuma cha 16-17 actually ile na manto ya maingi nyankoluki yeto 16-17 itirariritwe lakini 17-18 kadongo bangwe yatambi na in fact itibrete kwa even assembly itigitite through the public accounts committee that is the procedure
kombeka bwana DG kombeka itomikia report yethirwe kia rirwa mbere ya 16-17 ya rirwa maybe no rabo akosoa bonene sana thirikarira maybe anto beterete kuona kind of angels maybe amakweni type
exactly and dakwira gichunge anto ibamboni mbechire kuri tubre bo kuniro kubambere gichunga kuri itukumwe mbeje chonto tutumaira mbecha ora tukwenda tukuluga irwa budget ni assembly na tugetanya through the financial accounts cha 2017-18 no go take through every item kone burato tumere mbecha ira cha approve to ne assembly burato tumere ira to onere from exchequer so o take ngontore curate na ndenda kuri antu baba kware bakwa mbeja ni turi bodo ku itukubino onere last week governor Samburu County ari court agwatwa I think additional bill aka 100 million chogeru ya 10 million itukubi DCI EACC DPP ni antu wete very proactive so watu kwa mtu akona mbeje chimire county churite what is so difficult oteta waikia evidence kwa EACC oteta waikia kwa DCI uweta kwa DPP oko uadire Ntuchiu na yete 2 billion ngawatwa ketha ngabana na kwa tonde deputy ngabana so no tukura antu iba hari na uma watu kwa mtu wena evidence beche churite tafadhali produce evidence nekanira na tokwate ketha kumbeje churite
so bwana DG kidogo nuku tembeje churite na tembeje jibo tumirite boboy but kuringa na report ya auditor general dine report yeje kire karatasi ka tutanda ka report ya auditor general irona ni ati ni kwari na unsupported training whereby training ya bwithairwa nthikuru ya Korea was it na mtura wetete kubwethia training kana mtura wetete training yeje abati kurirwa ngarama chionde ni the trainer but mtona anenkero drinki milioni 1 ya per diem achoka anenkero drinki milioni 1 ya wifi ya gas na ya stima
actually mtu bora agitere eta Dr. Nyaga surgeon so one of our qualified surgeons in the county neither no for 6 months lakini meano ndora ira we back to office reports so they are back to office reports attach all those now just to support the evidence that nari now otherwise take akwe beje jero ni ira tu wa indari now these are the evidence that I was there these are back to office report
I thought niwe wanenkanirete report ye kuona ni ati nibo atumire shilingi milioni ijere kire training yeje
milioni ile
yes
yari milioni miti milioni ile na
milioni 1 yari ya per diem milioni ingi yari ya wifi na gas
ndakuira atiri what he did in bring supporting documents na response area bwana Gichunge which has been accepted by the auditor office.
So what was this one supporting?
There was no money that has been lost. What he was doing ka supporta kuona nena ari Korea mari mo itana u ko do enemy kuona nena ari no what is the evidence no kuona those are the receipts he was attaching and that evidence area
kali bwana DG tenda kumenya ni mbibibio ngwa supporti kwethirwa ate itumirete milioni izire this 1 million ya per diem na 1 million ya wifi na gas how was it na mbecha tu audit toka kwithwa thirikari Meru ya county Meru ya audit how come then kwina this 2 million ijitia tumikire na kinya senator na rawetere training yeje oro kirero ari rakero
training eu ndakwira ati bana Gichunge. The response is here very clearly. Dr. Nyaga produce evidence kuona na nare no by bringing attached receipts. Which was a further proof of staying in Korea and not a claim on refund of expenses. It was not a claim on refund of expenses. And this is something that the auditors have also confirmed, the Office of the Auditor General.
So, yeah. The 1 million and the other 1 million, how was it supporting? Nata ya supporti bwana DG nonto seriously. Ndenda kinyawo nini ngwa kuelewa na mumbiro we ngwa kielewa. The 1 million eje na million nyingi, how was the document supporting
what happens,
the report?
What happens when kinyoreri the full accommodation and everything, when they talk quota per diem. Quota per diem. Quota per diem ne are awa. Kinyeru are work the office to account to agutuma somewhere. No re quota per diem. Utera the full per diem. Ura full per diem daira utuika utebio kariro na uoka irero hoteli uoka meet all the other expenses. Lakini okere airwa ure wa quota per diem. Eno sheria kulingana na
so quota per diem in this
quota
case
per diem na
2
rero
million.
na rero quota per diem
2 million.
Quota per diem na rero 1 million.
And the other million?
The other million the other million is not there.
Report here, note 6, the financial statement reflected that further county executive and not done the training need assessments to ascertain the areas of training priority. In addition, traveling details to show how the offers got to the training centers, institutions, and certificates of participation. In the circumstances, the priority was 59. Excuse me. The training ya tumere 1 million ya Wi-Fi
no,
1 million ya travel.
Ndakwira bira arero ni 1 million ya quota per diem. Ni arero 1 million. But 2 million. This is very clear bwana Gichunge kapo kuboma report yata. It is only 1 million.
So 1 million ya quota per diem.
Is a quota per diem, which was entitled to. In fact, receipts ira atabrito nyote oti attach because it was not even necessary. However, as part of his back office report, anenkandira attach receipts. Otherwise, take out tomure over and above 1 million. Ira rero quota per diem no 1 million.
I really wish
it is exactly like that.
Wanna DG in the page you.
It is here page 18.
I will keep looking.
It is here page 16. The Nyanya on the page 16.
Yes.
Yes. Quota per diem.
Director of Medical Services Costs.
Yes.
Was 1 million in respect of payment for rent, maintenance, Wi-Fi, gas, and electricity. In the circumstance, the irregularity 1 million year expenditure of the year ended this June. So that 1 million nyo with a quota per diem.
1 million is quota per diem, which is entitled to kulingana na sheria.
Okay.
Na hii receipts enda kwira na irake bulia back to office report. Na attach those receipts na binambi. Otherwise take kare imbasiro mbeche ingi. No.
So bwana DG tuita na mbele na report yeje inkorika na boke amberi thirikari antongirie mwana 30 ni babutiro ngwe kirabo wa ni report irabo onere what was the company Deloitte?
Yeah, Deloitte, yes.
Deloitte. Yes. Na report mu ankatha yetara public by the way. Are you aware?
Yeah, made public no ntikwari na issues from the assembly. Ibaugire you know gato kwenda kwenga anto. Actually what was happening that time wage bill on cashiers are about 15 million.
Yes.
So itwagerekia kuona na atatumba ku reduce that wage bill. Now ndinyaba mwetu tutaika kwa aba kuri watu na batengo gene. So let's do some audit to menye really and back either ba kwa value to the government ba kutangwibwega and all that. So what happened rirato gwera to barwa miaka enda babuthiro proper head count. Assembly beta bapinga no nanto bakiandamana na binambi. So in the process utaombere ko release. But somehow bamoi umere. So tutigara namba to about 700. So actually 770. Na no watu rekutangwina ndi. Na ibo baitu kugure ba convert to actually on casual, on contract basis. no ntu watiri muntu arigito miaka 10 miaka 15 atinya baruga na ditango ge, that is against sheria. So we actually trying to geria with the man to bwega na to harmonize no ntu tukaba mwe muntu ari riwa 7,000 kurunga kurwa 15,000 kurunga kurwa 28,000 na bonde no cashews watiri mumu andiki dereva arambira 29,000 na muchara wa dereva kulingana na sheria with actually maximum with 19,000 starting salary wati makwenda dereva bandika hapa na 28,000 29,000 kurinya clean omweo wa clean omoto ona andiki clean ngiri 27 kuna clean ngiri mwanja kuna clean ngiri nyanya kuna clean ngiri 15 so to wakati harmonize the salary by way of giving them contract. This is what we have been trying to do.
Bwana DG bere twari mantu ya casuals bau michare yini tetie na 1.2 billion 1 billion 262,975,759 eje kulingana na report eje ni 40%
yes.
ya michare era yarirwe 2016
yes.
2017 so how do we explain ati itwabutira antu giri na 30 na michara niye witie na bilioni mona na milioni mana yeli
ndakora tutabutire antu utambi ko bega ndakora tutababutire no ndure twendero benga assembly ne retrebo kutagwa tutebenga tutubutantu bengire a few of them iba enamire iba ubumire ngodi a few cashews so utantu babutirwe Gichunge
really
kaburi gata udire ko bwana utantu babutirwe
batantu batwera iba butirwe
no only a few cashews batari tere lakini utantu babutirwe nende ngore what happened bwana Gichunge you see baturita yogere thirikari muchara June ya June 2017 no the financial thirikari thira 30th June you about 315 million yutari so muchara hapo kwa ile ya 2016-17 kulingana na report ya Auditor General ni 11 months batuke 2017-18 tore muchara 13 months so there is that difference of 315 million. That is one. Number two, kuriaritani baandiki by that regime. Tatirima batekuru kwa muchara. ECD teachers 489 topatari muchara. So tu kuya barira of course to gaite baandiki ana baite bakwenda kuritana na binambi. So we had not baandiki batena budget. So we had to find a way of factoring them in the budget. Na topare areas for 10 months 489 teachers. Igwa na antobange baandiki the same time. Baba tutors baba village polytechnic 39 of them we also had to pay them arrears equal na doctors allowances na nurses allowances they are reviewed in the year we had to pay equal na SRC general review of all the employees we had to pay so all these payments were made during the year of 2017-2018 that is the year also totirimere anto baba wetu I mean the CC members baraba umere baraba are the previous government and of course mungavana umago bone nanto baki some of them we had to pay them gratuity baraba beje choitari chikwana chikware meted in the we had to pay gratuity within that year gratuity CC members baraba umere na some contract employees they had to be paid gratuity within this period so really that was the cause of the increase
so you know
that is what caused the increase
1.2 billion?
Yes, that is the cause of the increase. If you sum up all that, that is really the whatever. Nanya muchara yato kulugiri tu ni assembly salary yetu budgets irato nengeri ni assembly. We have not even exceeded the amount. No, to temea ko spend anything that is not budgeted. To spend the budget yetu yari 4.5 billion because we had to factor in all these expenses tutaenda kuriga tutokurea ECD teachers tutaenda kuriga tutokurea teachers tutaenda michara kuria reviewed so assembly tukolokire budget 4.5 billion so now to spend actually 4.3 billion we even spent less
so
than what was in the budget.
DG na kuongeleka kwa michara are we really within the 70% margin ya michara
no,
na utumiri
no bota tirimere kari so really and temenya kuya obutanto ukerwanga ogwenganto barabanga anga nini so no bota tirimere kari so we have to live with that.
So how about antobaba na bakwero ibandikiro unbudgeted for positions?
No, they were budgeted for. The report is very clear. We have even attached minutes to public service board. They were actually budgeted for. Yeah, the four advisors. No, we have
Bwana DG.
Yes.
Scrutiny of the county executive personnel records reveals that 4 unbudgeted positions of advisors in respect to cooperative development and human rights were employed.
Babo, yeah.
So
No.
baritumira a total of relation gender development and governance with a total cost of 3,125,800.
Yes. Yeah, but they were budgeted for.
The report says they were not.
No, they were. We have already attached the evidence. Create Senate, create Auditor General. We have evidence, minutes and everything.
So ni tontu itarikire report ye.
We are na baba and the report nyabo na anto Gichunge.
Yes.
No anto so nyabo and the baba na report para go capture. You know they cannot blame us. No to banenkere to banenkere. Me report by the way, war we inda banenkere we ya to banenkere. All the reports they access them bageta maukune yeto bakailia ba chonkona. Pagete reports me ari bono banenkere ne ambi punto ya woga na no bete baulo iku but now purpose nebi to ma we wakanya through public accounts committee assembly ibe to ma wora we na senate kenda womba kwa na responses ore mware ukwa na responses convincing responses they know to embe chichurite.
Speaking of senate,
yes.
Senator yoro arawire ati uchumi bwa Meru buri less 1.6 billion.
Yes. Yes.
So kuli kumaanisha uchumi potibu ibwa Meru no tuba kwethwa pending bills itere ina thirikari ne wira nto iba batikuri better chio.
Absolutely. Lakini ndeburi atire batu nyara tukiya ko the other government totibire pending bill 1.6 billion. Nanti menya ngo blame the previous government. The previous governor got enda akureanto. But the biggest problem we have in Gichunge ni kuudhura mbeje chitu kachuchirwa from treasury. As we speak, tukwaria dhaina uwe. The last time I got dara yaga mechara Monday. Tariki nyanya. Because beche chitu chareri ya kuma Nairobi. Da inkure ntane kore exchequer release yetu ya February. March to April. That is about 2 billion. Pending from Nairobi. We have been camping there together now. Treasury tuturando wetu watura Nairobi. Wodi ngwan tutura Nairobi. Ija almost every week no manga bete Nairobi kuthika tambecha. So ndenda kurinya assembly yetu. No ndobeya the county assemblies forum. But tuchumiri nya bari nga yetuma ndenda kurinya senator because the purpose of senate no protect devolution. Bageri ora ko senator na I have spoken to senator the senator mochoro kwa itwara gero nga bara senator please. Babu to tedieni puri buturingere tuma bet treasury design bet in good time. No there were nengara 2 billion. I would pay all the bills immediately.
Arua he has played his role. Actually kabere to ambe clip weje Sylvester.
Contribute yanyanto kwa senator ni ata utiti akuthithia atia. For God's sake, I will never get involved in doing projects because that's not my work. I know my work. I'm clear in my mind what I'm supposed to do. MCA and Bokuba Mkiwa, part of their role is not to implement county government's projects, not to be prohibited by Section 8 the County Governments Act. Kameti yetu ya Njumbunge ya Assembly ya Meru nebueri nabo ubeta. Baba uri akiuria kie ne ata kwa kari ne onto report ye andeta andikira ni mbiputa nenkanirite kenda baomba kumeki a final report best na ushaindi burapo karetwa kiebo kenda bamenya kwetha baomba kubarita lawama or not.
Senator waribaga munau. I wish na reterere nya watu kanengana report you. Kire public accounts committee tukanengana kiri senate aturita lawama.
Arua is a disappointed man.
Why?
No do when have yet tembecha. No na report every month.
Yes.
Kuma kire mutegeri wa budget
yes.
account.
Yes.
Na Arua mbetira cheyete Meru. By March 1st neri 6 billion tayari Meru. Lakini kulinga na report ye Arua is a disappointed man. No to betira ko dia hata itio tumero boya.
Eni nongo kuri atere Gichunge utumura boy kugatea. Undenda kuwa utumura boy kuambe chachurite nondo bambere and then kwendo kure into kimwe. Wambere ndenda kuri atere batu tutuchumaira mbecha outside the budget. Mbechi chonto tutumairicha approved in assembly. That ko refer to page 7 of the page 3 of this financial statement. Eriwa financial statement reflected a balance of 1.9 billion in respect of bank balance as at 30th of June. Each of the account as at 30th of June. The last day of the month of the financial year. This was not released for 1 month. It was released for 3 months. So to the last day na toka Korea. So this is what I'm saying. The problem is not really us. It is the treasury. This was the money that was in the bank as at that date of June. no ka kwa ile no re rando eto to chedera about 2 billion no ntwa kudera treasury treasury either to only 3 months arrears. That is what the problem is. Na no ko senate nenja senate onke buromba muchoro kwa nke mura tafadhali tuichumire ni pecha chume nara treasury tuchumbe kuya na kera tomba kura contractors in good time no tumeje ke chunge tutume kure no tubeje tumba jetera cha kuida barabara cha wikira roe cha kugura ndagwa so tukara kure hata no tutume to spend in other way utuma yo spend beje in other way chede development no
so bona DG
yes.
Meru ne tumire mbeje cyo kinyakwe milioni ya 39 kiri travels local travels nkuruki county assembly committee ya lands and planning ya budget na ya agriculture na amona health niti ya ninkeru kuma kiri mbeje cyo executive
yes.
Auping 8.6 million
yes.
to be precise yes. Million inyanya yes. Ngiri mana tanzatu ya minongo ele na kenda na dhiringi mana yana
yes.
Why was that? Na kuwe budget ya county assembly.
It is true kwa budget ya county assembly na unte kura ambaye chichaba na ngera lakini what was happening nuko kana dirikare yetu ni injaro mwaka 2017 so CC members betu kana CC members na chief officers ponde bare baberu na baberu linkage ukwetha kwi very necessary uka link executive where kuritangwe na assembly so every sector kede agriculture land transport health ikwetha kwi na chairman na committee eyo so ituenda antu betu belewa ura kurito kuritana dangwe nambi na your respective committee kenda kwa kwi na proper working relationship between the executive and the assembly unaona and the various committees so itu tabete actually it was really at our invitation itu kwenda boturutana antu betu committee what are the expectations, what do we expect from CC member say trade, what do we expect from CC agriculture, what do we expect from CC lands. So no itu tabete we really had to cater for that cost. It was at our invitation. So what we said, it is an expense that we felt the working relationship. It is an expense that was necessary. But since then, it was they are now the assemblies, they spend their money, we spend our money.
Kuringana na Auditor General, that was illegal.
No, but you see, some things are also practical, not very practical. No, to end assembly botu ira babu botu ita to budget. In the Nyambonga, they have their program, they have their calendar of the way they do things. So to go to beta to save it somewhere. They also need to pay expenses, but travel expenses, probably even accommodation to the MCs, Canada respective members for those committees. So but to have the budget today, also a government must function now to value the caridi. Mama CC members buying the cover even in a county government spirit. So yes, it is true that was paid, but it was a very, very necessary expense.
Yeah, ni kwenda tuariri manzo hiyo ya rubwa account lakini arani ela batu kurukira SMS line 40321 namba yetu SMS mutegeri wa Meru TV tukubarwari turi na deputy governor wa county Meru na utariri nkuruki urora report ye ya Auditor General. So umaru wa allo studio my question to the DG, what happened to the vacancies of village administrators which were advertised some years back? Ungino wakawa ask DG if control of budget is against the county government of Meru complains more than the counties. Ungino wakawa mweni chonge mamno wakawa ito Ntuchiu na kire tukwe gutekyo akotwira tia uma ni Daniel Mwathi Dhambiro ntakwata buboya. Mr. Gichunge, tell the deputy governor that we as the people of Meru County are tired of all this corruption, are tired of all this corruption and impunity. We want development or executive to step out of the office. Ongino wakawa, this is Mokaria from Nairobi. Ask DG why county vehicles are consumed more than 900 million without indicating on the work ticket. No way these people should be put to task over this public money. And DCI Kinoti should raise up and arrest both the governor and the deputy governor. Wow.
Gichunge ndo kugatire watu eka to spend 900 million on fuel mauta uninde kuwa muntu na evidence ike kinoti mbijirwe because that's a lie.
So bwana DG, report jini ya kisiasa kana report jini ya orongo, who do you trust, you kana
betikena onto inde na information me barabara yo mena uba kuringe tuma kwa tena information ini minister of finance my friend Edward huko kinya we ane anto andikite, and I'll tell you why I'll prove you wrong. On a page 6
let's move together.
Yeah, etau Ariwa, the financial statements reflect 905 million 652 in respect for use of goods and services. Use of goods and services does not mean fuel. Which included 35 million in respect to fuel, oil, and lubricants. That is the amount spent on fuel and oil. The rest is recurrent expenditure for the entire government. 35 million is what we spent on fuel and oil. Which
35,986,000.
Exactly. That is what was spent throughout the year on fuel and lubricants, which translates to around 2 million, or actually less than 2 million per month for the county vehicles. So anybody who has a different figure, my friend, now report you see, people confuse yanto na bama they never take the weather statement already been already mind concluded the message. You see, no, we're about fuel, oil, and lubricants. That's the headache. Lakini, where you are 4 million in respect of goods and services. So it is also misleading report from the Office of the Auditor General because the amount spent is 35 million.
So, did you think Anto Ibotumira report?
Yes, Kabo Tumira siasa. Na honestly, Anto Ibetere. Nandaira Anto Atiri. Kedira kuimbeja chiuri de manto yakauma. Na kwa doga kuro menya we run public office. Everybody has a right. Kenya we employ even forensic auditors. Kana antu bako yenye investigate. Be ba find out ko bugata tubere 905 million. Kanida 5 million. Lori kwa reo mana ro kwa rongo. Ndakwira woni tariki that 21st. Ndeta kwa Senate. And I will be dictated. Fatu to kona Kenya high already. The Office of the Auditor General.
So Mr. DG wari umete kumakire private sector.
Yes.
Kampuni chiaku and you manage them well.
Yes.
Is this
no way, I have managed it perfectly well. Let me tell you, by the way. Nabi to bantu bato ora Gichunge. Me I managed it so well. Amba barabara kwa. Amba ibo bakuringe tuma. Kana barabara na keto chinda. Pakayera mbe chakao de government. Ibo to mona kelele. Anko ira omage to Gichunge. Nanga ko ni evidence. Ka ko ni evidence no to na to terakia no wrong. Ka ko ni evidence. I've started the project here. To go ira to re no to bamu bakuda to kure contractors. Ka ko ni. There is a water project here. Water project. By the previous government. Kenjai water project. Kenjai water project, 54 million. 54 million, 184. 2 bows. Kinya da ite kuran. Ite kuraro 54. Lo ondo ta lobon. And now kaya kwa ilia. Yes. Ango ndokonia preliminaries. With the hydrological survey nambi 4.4 million. Wow, drilling 2 bows 18 million. Boy ile kwenjwa. Kundri litinya we equip 18 million. Tank once ikaya 22 million 570,000. Mbeje unire notero kunyuwa. Batu dai 100 bows. Number an average of 5.8 million. From hydrological survey to drilling to equipping with a fence. Kumiwekera water tank, kuita mwankara tuwekera tank, complete. 22 million, nothing has happened. 54 million project.
It is claimed at Boa Usimwe, ira bukuwa nibu njete, iwaka boa rehabilitated siaba hizi. And then, county adharakanidi, ibare njire machine chako drill, kana chako njaroi. They say, bakeza by save 4.5 million per boa. Miraba kedha wetumira kile kuenja na kuikira solar and all that equip generally but tumira 500,000 maybe
500,000.
Yes.
Kaba ita bongi tuone. No, because that is not practical. Me yangu iro mage chunge. Kuenjera nto bwao, kuenjerinya te ko kuenja bwao. Kuenja wari tiga nau. No mwanka to banyorowe, bakanyorowe ate obaekire itanki, obaekire pambe kuringa rowe. Overchoko wirigere au ochoko with some piping mwankara to bataira rowe. That is what is called me.
Iko arena machine tia kuenja bwao.
Ereo lakini ya the previous government in area machine. Vejete bwao igana. For the 5 years they only did 11 bwao. 5 years. 1 year we have done 100 bwao. By end of this year, to talk with another 100 bows, because we are doing 50 now, we are doing 50 in the next financial year. By December, we shall have done 100 bows.
Is it
200 bows.
Is it very environmental friendly?
Exactly.
With the
very.
500 bows dene miaka
Yes.
How many
bows jinja wigana Nairobi? Inja we mwa kenjwenge.
Maybe to what to invest on water pans and...
That is, we have already done 600 water pans. 700 actually, in collaboration with the national government. You know, Governor Kreto Ugarenda Kuriga no Rui. Through a collaboration with the national government, we have done 700 water pans. The other day, to Ntuchiu Nara Ngotiro Lengo, to launch a big water dam. You know, you have seen...
the government in Nairi. I have not seen.
There are some... No, we are partnering with the national government. You know, you have to look for resources from both what you have and national government. And we are getting a lot of support because of our good working relationship with the national government. No, the other day, to launch a dam, na deputy president. Governor Otalo Bete. And we Ura Dam.
Kure mobo launch Ntomoru. Ntomoru.
Yes. It is also a national government project.
Why would you launch a national government?
No, but you see, it's through governance effort na good relationship.
Maoka MP wa igembe north urera yari ngwewe no walobete.
Is asa of course chiacha no manga tutekurega muntu no manga yithete.
So who is it exactly?
Tutekurega na national government.
Yes.
Nantekuwa maoka moremi not played in the role. Lakini even ourselves as county leaders, we also have a duty wetera minister yete, wetera PS yete. No to boy at the end of the day kananda yete dianto beto Meru.
Fair enough, Bwana Governor. So
enongo gerende baba kudeta no kuona amba yaba 22 million Gichunge. For 2 bows itanyuka runya nende na project yari 54 million surely. So these are the things we are saying but to encourage. Nebi to mababa kudeta bakwa to pending bills. Ututu me ko pending bills chari cha wamba. And that's why we formed a committee. Pending bills verification committee. Each and every work that was done. We have a department, the efficiency monitoring unit. Answerable directly to the office of the governor. You to tell you uchukuna. So we want to back that no itu ingete marinya. Yeah, and na bakata tap chakore itu chingi. If you be na anda wirato achinga kabisa. No to we have a duty osaba to Meru within 5 years and to beto Meru ba beto go Nairobi.
Allow me Bwana Governor compare thirikari ya Kireto Murunge na Titus Ntuchiu na thirikari ya Charity Kaluki Ngilu county ya Kitui. County ya Kitui kuri na jinari. Kuri na county ya Kitui iri na factory ya kubwithia irio and something iri na factory ya kubwithia maembe nibombe te kwithira bakibwithia health care yo yerapo kwenda kubwithia Meru care na it has been successful. So Meru baturi ni bibi kureta mbecha county ya Meru. All we do ni MYS, all we do ni some projects irachi utumira mbecha antachidro kai kureta mbecha Bwana Deputy Governor.
Now let me ask you something.
Yes, please.
Every governor has priorities chake na manifesto.
That one I know. Like
so nongo kwera atire batu dinera nini to what is life my friend? Na nyanga bana na wite very clearly. Na ibi atomera chalo na ndo Meru. Au gite ginto kyambere kiraka bwide kubidiri atombi kundi ando ba Meru. Na nendelete baga in that area. Bira counting na Gichunge nendo kuira. Na watu kwa we county. The other day twali na Kakamega County. Kakamega County ngavana Kakamega County Oparanya is having his 7th year. But we are now a second year. Na daika yete ku benchmark on what we have done about water in Meru County. No, the other day, company to contracted to do the drilling, Davis and Shatleaf. They posted in their website, but this is the biggest water project in Kenya. It is being celebrated all over the world. It has even caught the attention of UN. So, bahati tu beto talo la mantuaru youth idleness na unemployment na nambi 1,000 youth.
Inko that area that Davis and Shatleaf.
Yes.
Lakini mbele kabisa Bwana DG.
Yes.
Beji irachi tumiro kire MYS. Yes. Maybe. How much was it by the way?
It's just about 100 million.
100 million.
Yes. 100
million maybe ikiambiria factory iriyo na arasa udimenti.
No.
Just a minute. Ikiambiria factory iriyo na arasa udimenti. Anto by the way bakodanki kwa ni brokers nara kukithwa kwina factory iriyo ina kinya value addition. Maybe ikithwa iri more productive nkuruki ya MYS. This MYS ntikwenda kuwa ni project imbe, but really is it a priority? was it a priority? Bowete bukethra buke bare ya 400 shillings per day. The other day they will complain they are not paid.
Anko ro mage Gichunge. Mya wayo mu youth. Ubozo nyako dokenda taira youth bank bwana.
True.
Na mya wote kotata no nto ngwe no kona bakore orokoro.
You see,
wono wote kona lampara.
DG with all due respect.
Anko ro Gichunge, are wakati kira no nto wayo mu youth. Ito tafadhali. Kuna vijana bako safa na wome. There is a lot of youth unemployment and idleness na work.
Factory create jobs for the youth.
Let me tell you, but what we are trying to do no te renda kachi yetu kuwata skills kenda bomba kwa self-employed. That is the whole purpose. Tikenda bona ngweka na bandikwa. Na batu tuko yugenda ka 1000. About 500 600 tabekire Meru Polytechnic. Naturally this caught even the attention partners like KCB to even support us. Ndaka either ino kodona antu ya carpentry. No, antu ya garanda kulithia mni. Mantu ya maiga waka maiga. No ntu rwari Gichunge nya yuka enda kukironya tiles. O kuta osinjeka utona muntu Meru au na ngokereta muntu Nairobi. Muntu unyo wakarangi umwega utumbo mwana wako mapi Nairobi. President na wena rite mantu abiki for agenda housing. They are peak. Tukaenda ndaka stima, ndaka icho cha kuomba waka maiga. And wakarangi, and that is exactly what we have done as we speak. So ibahajiri courses chiao. So what we are going to do after this? Manta bateko law program we karabo bit politicize. Ndaka ino dichi ajiri those courses. Ban graduate tureba nankaniri na KCB in a program wa itanjiri program. Papa ritane kede saloon gadho mana manta ya dressing roma ya kwambira saloon eku roma ya kwambira biashara eku kenda baba interest free capital. That is exactly what
how about bwana DG turitengue na bila tuwe na we work with what we have. For example, kurina capitals baba ingie bare jobless. Maybe we should have created some industry of some sort ya kuandika baraba tayari badhomirete carpentry, bara tayari badhomirete electrical engineering, bara tayari badhomirete such jobs. Alafu after we have that industry, then toka dome dianto tukimenya muntu yuma areta kuritangwe kire industry je thirikari. That would be cheaper na niyo ikithirwa ikimotivate antu no tayari kwina ngwe tayari weterete weta
ende to kambira industry rete seto kambira industry ya mamarigo kekane kanto ngiri orimo ikane kanto bagana. What I'm trying to say is this,
ikande kanto kuruki ngiri bwana DG, you know how no ntumba kwithirwa ikande kamurimi na ikande kanto baraba kuria kire factory. Do you imagine ni antu bana ba ku benefit kuma kire kirio kimwe kuma nterira sia South Menti na itinara, a lot of them maybe kire kwaya na makandamia, maybe we should have antoa kwaya na makandamia to abati woka factory ya ukubwethia something kuma kire nkandani iririo nara tigania west.
Gichunge kabo kwali yakari menya thirikari mantete with the yonde orimo my friend. Nunga kwira there is kunya limitation.
It has happened somewhere else.
No, let me tell you something. Owa kire somewhere else na atekirete antorwe. Na kuro Gichunge wo kwanza ubete ku wo umete bembe north. For the first time
to be precise.
Nara gutinya mwara yumwe. Antu beta over 20 kilometers bona ruwe. Ekruda ikapa kuringa mbe wa witu murungu darima kraito. Nundo papa kunde ruwe. Wo kwanza bwe toketa tara mantari mo tani neta paso. Lakini ankore gintu kingi.
Ruwe ngoro detera it is a priority.
It is a priority.
But then tukiaweka priorities bwana DG. There is a way of eliminating.
Wire nende. Mya baba tukabu ina haraka antu babiru be na haraka. Na tuero miaka 5 atadire. Yo miaka yeli bwana. Watu to set up special economic zones. Na itu kwarane na several investors. Kenda investors be yaba set up industries to buy incentives. No ikonya tata denga bana haraki aka one of the incentives you want to land. Kana kuwageria kuba entice through incentive land and all that. Kenda ba yaba invest that is an ongoing process. No kuona. So manto ya tekarika yonde all at once. Go hito yokanya. That that manto industries like as we speak already we have signed a project. Nara wa guntu eta niyo kare. In 2021 there will be a big project a wind lab. Which is going to generate power 80 megawatts. Ikande kanto wengi and many other people. Another power project coming up in Kisima. So there are all these things that are happening. Lakini project me otema kwa conceive an idea today Runo wana factory. Gichunge bwana.
Okay.
To anytime murume.
Bwana DG ni kwenda tucho kera ni umekaita katekura ena isi kire thirikari ya Governor Munya at some point the governor then are senator na karere ya kako and frustrate the then governor. Maybe it's payback time. Kuma kire senator withika lento. Let's discuss that tuchokera na watu wa Meru tumesema no peoni mwari kumakarama gankuri ya DG atere mbecha chia kugurangi na maginyo ne chia nina cia umire please ne Abraham kumakangeta. Gichunge DG tell us the plans for value addition to our mangoes, bananas which are going to waste, and let him stop skirting around issues. And Ntuchiu kumakiegoi wengine kawa hello sir, inform DG that Kraito's government is a fallen regime. We are looking forward to 2022. Talk to us, keep talking to us. 40321 namba yetu SMS tuko barua yetu na deputy governor wa county Meru Titus Ntuchiu tukiaria kuelewa nkuruki auditingwe na utumiri bwa mbecha ndani ya county Meru. Tambere kwa rena batu namba yetu SMS ni 40321. Ukewe mutambo nituchokere tenye makaita katekura.
Shukrani kocho kocho Kenya nzima, kocho kocho Kenya nzima, kocho kocho Kenya nzima.
Kwa majina naitwa Karisansia Sebeguto. Natoka Kisii County. Niko na bwana, niko na watoto 5. Natumia Safaricom miaka 2. Ninafurahi huduma yao. Niliweka credit, nilipigia watoto wangu, mzee wangu. Nilipigia simu, nilifurahi. Naambia mzee wangu, alifurahi.
Halo, naitwa kwa Master Julius Nyambegera Muganga kutoka Shukrani Kocho Kocho Kenya nzima. Naongea na Gracesia?
Ndio.
Mbiamono. Sasa Gracesia?
Ni Gracesia.
Okay, sawa. Hii wiki umekuwa ukitumia M-Pesa ama kutumia credit kuanzia 20?
Ndio.
Bas, wewe ndio mshindi wetu wa shilingi milioni 1.
Asante.
Kwa majina naitwa Judith Bosboriguto. Crescencio Sebeguto ni mamangu. Mimi ndiye mtoto wake wa kitinda mimba. Alipopigiwa simu kuhusu Shukrani Kocho Kocho, tulifurahia sana. Tulihisi furaha ndani ya roho. We thank God for that.
Kwa majina ni Felix Guta Chando. Mke wangu ndiye mshindi wa Safaricom Kocho Kocho.
Hii shilingi milioni 1 itasaidia kujenga nyumba, kusomesha mtoto.
Tumejaribu kutafuta pesa, tumetukosa. Lakini kupitia kwa ushindi wa mke wangu, pesa hizi tutatumia ili mtoto huyu pia asome.
Penye nimefikia, nimefanya ECD diploma, ndio naendelea. Hizi pesa zitanisaidia wanilipie school fees, niweze kumaliza. Nikimaliza pia kama zitakuwa zimebaki, waniendeleshe na degree.
Laini ya Safaricom ninayo. Kuna wakati watoto ambao wako shuleni natumia M-Pesa na watumia pesa shuleni. Alafu kuna wakati mtoto anapotoka shuleni nahitaji nauli, namtumia pesa kupitia Safaricom kwa M-Pesa.
Nimetumia line yangu ya Safaricom tangu 2010. Naekanga credit kama niko mbali na duka nanunua kutoka kwa M-Pesa. Kama nataka kumtumia mom pesa ama dad, naweza tumia M-Pesa yangu kuwatumia. So kitu mimi naweza sema Safaricom inaweza.
Tuchokera oringe mutegeri wa Wero TV. Karibu sana kiri mubango jona kaiteneka warangu kuleta tuli na Titus Ntuchiu, deputy governor ndene ya county Meru tukiareria utumiri bwa mbecha na utingui bwa county Meru. Utuko barua so bwana senator ngukurete mantu ya I mean
Deputy Governor.
bana Deputy Governor, sorry. Apologies. Bana Deputy Governor ngukurete mantu ya Senator. What's really happening? Ni cycle ikinya at some point Senator akambiria kuchumbura the sitting governor prepare maybe nontoboa kithurano kiu kingike yite ya wakarikire na kiraitwa chumbura munya then and now we see ontobobo kara hapo kwambiria. Is it a cycle? Is it payback time?
I don't think so. Ntewe tikerile nonto. As I said, Senator imochoreo kwa imochoreo governor. Imochoreo eturile na Senator na ichima nto jabra yeta. Na ichutembe chitu mayorile ite in the budget na budget to approve in the county assembly. So lakini being a politician omba kudora mari mwantu ibenda kuita nara muno anto bako especially report anto bewe exaggerate manda ya ginyo nambi iwa karaya kanende anto bakuringa ituma muno about thirikari na myako imure muno ko criticize thirikari anto ba na ko imure sana kana kana mtu omba kuona myako bamwinya gisiasa mtu enda uchiukiria through ko criticize thirikari naona mtu omba kuona ndigwa neo Senator na bwa lakini akwenda kuwa ntikumenya ntime yakuwa rile ka kwenda kuraba atu kana itabonge ntime yakuwa unonto as I said muchoro kwa itwaragia thimo we talk we meet so there is no problem. I think Senator nyaona responses cheto now no tembe chachi kana boranto bakware nomba kudora ere carried away ina bua ko me no ndare mo anto manto anto bakwaria bone nyono badetera no kuona batege kuona ka urutero thirikari mera mo wetarutero thirikari wakaraga ku lose popularity lakini ankoro magichunge
so kochioka na
ankoro magichunge and I am telling anto ba Meru pomba ile bwega otendruye Meru yurite kinyemwe na ndenda kuhura na I repeat this urakwa kwembeje che Meru churite neye atu awi na churirite atutitange I'm ready to go to jail woni personally no the Minister of Finance kwatu kwa kumbe chachurite
but mtu aituma report which is in the public
domain but ndakuuri atiri inambe chachurite report we have provide na hivyo ngukura atiri
report says
anto ibadiga te procedure Gichunge na wengu ndiko
so procedure nereko
procedure ni unda kwira atiri report itira committed in a public public accounts committee tu committee I respect a very capable committee baburite ku wetera to amike public accounts committee ya assembly tukaina ni responses chetu assembly ka debate assembly ka ugatire mbeje che country ititumiri bwega kulingana na responses che executive then from there antono boga mbeje chorite we have even another chance Senator wetu akethera together twenwe nara Nairobi so to provide responses chetu ke these queries if they are not justifiable oboko mbeje chorite then nende tutegwatwa na mbe kana ura na makosa ate kwatwa iwa nta kwa example Samburu ngapana you know kuo there is nobody who is immune to prosecution
so maybe
so anto ibareke kuambeja churite kana bari manto ya yorongo na bachiaka ndiko Senator chiaka lakini ikura anto akibarara kinya mbere yau bakaria gwakaraga kwina thina no te thinerio ndakwira wunda ugire nanda wonu ugire ba wunda with the private sector I have run institutions my friend better managed na manage the otembe cha chiaura wonte unta to collect from the streets tamura street ina woni I know imbiche corporate governance imbiche ndomba kwa idena so I follow procedure I am very strict I follow nantenda mando ya hivi nebyo to magona de mwanto bakithura
so where is this information anto bari to kuringa na report babu butira come out clear bua how you spent your money bilanto ba ku rely on kana bilanto ba ku irigira kumenyora mbechi tumiri ni report ya auditor general irere na mtu wende da
yes
we are dealing with laymen
report auditor general na igwa mbechi churite ine gwa mbechi churite
show you
na igwa mbechi churite
ari watire ati 2.8 billion itikumba kutarirwa nareire
ende Gichunge wogo chokera mantu non tunkwire that was a reconciliation item na ingo explained that
exactly
yes a reconciliation item I have explained that and the response is here my friend to the auditor general ibetere ukwenda kwa public accounts committee ya assembly
that's why we are saying bwana DG mtu tukua this information is not available kile mwananchi not what we are dealing with ni a layman
nebi yotumire mbuga irwari kambe ye kenda mbaria na mbega mantu werune muntu une ndrenda twetera procedure waita no ndire mbwantu ibarakia urongo bwakara ya uma.
That's great.
So wakwenda kuranta bamiro tembe cha churite.
Asante.
Yes.
Tukiaririe mantu yaweka mantu werune tuke mantu werune mantu yegie inyo na ubakuwa mingongola ya 4.3 million.
Owa Gichunge okay. Tekande scientist woni na tekande professor Manto ya ithomo professor Karwitha minister wetu wa agriculture maybe ndendo mbumo akanya at some point ya tu aboeleza but no ndenya wenga kwanza babu barandere story Weru TV Meru University bari ritinyo and actually is turning out to be a good business. In the other day you had a story about a certain farmer in South Imenti who is doing very well. Manto ne akuride chichinyo. Sometimes last year assembly yetu ibetere bagita kudoma manto ya pants na binambi na bari ko to ayata beta badoma batiri mandari mi bari ditinyo na binambi na
wait a minute. MCAs were bubble to it, they never knew anything about
page 148 the CIDP ikulukito ne assembly county integrated development plan ikulukito ne assembly page 148 yena manto ikotosha manto which was a special technology to address animal things. It is there, page 148, the CIDP.
So DG, who is fooling who?
I'm telling you, I am talking, this is a CIDP, is a wonder go to page 148. Go and read it. Of CIDP, it is captured there, Ikotosha.
Na MCAs ba kurukiri.
Yes. It is there even in annual work plan and the budget. As Ikotosha, as stroke heartworms. It is there.
So it
was really a technology to try and see how they can animal feeds through it's a simple technology the Department of Agriculture and Livestock and in collaboration with university. Meru University and Jomo Kenyatta University. Yeah,
I thought in such cases narakutwika at university ni kwa involved kile kubwithia such research. I thought university shingaramia mantuya why we spending
it's a collaboration. It's a collaboration. It's a collaboration. They want to train. There is a cost of train. Meru University will train and Jomo Kenyatta about train. So it's collaboration really. Baba kwa gureni bi uran drums ura datu to abu trainera. So it's really an ongoing project.
So badu to drums see 3,000 per drum and 800.
No go here Meru town drums equality na size na everything. Etadai uwa butindwa actually triad. There is even nothing that has been handed. Now in any case, to Jomo Kenyatta University. Jomo Kenyatta University is a public institution. Yeah, komba kuwaende university ngime angama institution kiongelele mbecha.
So Auditor General talk out to mislead?
No, ntira go to mislead. Manto ya worms na resistant, but we have given an explanation
about kura matangi ariwe tangi limwe orangiri. Actually I went to check tangi limwe drinki manana.
No ndakura ko into itakulite my friend na size eta wile dai kinya one of the journalists take on mweta marito an investigative journalist in this town has actually confirmed na mtu very aggressive kuandika story ite tanairina and autoringa sana he himself has kept quiet ndio kwa yambo urienda boreta waili duka ene plan etera railia na arono na akira ki. So really what it's a project no but it's a project what are collaboration. It's a project between Meru University, Jomo Kenyatta University and county government. Really eventually to help our farmers. It's an innovation, it's science.
Wow. Yeah. Kwa na batu kila 40321 namba yetu SMS tukubarwari tuli na deputy governor wa county Meru bwana Titus Ntuchiu tokeri kuelewa nkuruki uroria utumiri bwa mbecha chia county Meru as the CEC wa finance bwana DG Meru kulingana na report hii ina account 33 22 of them irekire commercial banks. How do we explain that?
It is true iko arena those accounts lakini si mea to inherited na nyata even from the previous government where there were revenues is collected across all the sub counties. So one on the reconciliation they had to open account the sub counties. Kanare ku menya si sub county no the meant ne Tigania West kanebore benda kumenya mimbi imbeche igana chi collective from this sub county imbeche ende pakarugura every sub county karugura bi account yeyo miambere wete ka kwari na manto ya internet kana sharing information sana lakini ende those accounts we have actually closed them. We now want to have one account. Revenue. No,
for our here na mwankatha hii twetete kuthiria mwaka jungi we have been operating with 33.
No, utaingire this was at 30th of June. Meankwiro mage Gichunge.
You know DG report ile
no, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Babwe kabukulo we the dirikari mbere no mwa. They have first things first. First things first. The question is this.
You know,
no, ndakuria atire. Yes, tukurai kwa na 33 accounts. Lakini re kiuri ne atire mbe chichurite. No ntukwa na 33 accounts.
How do we know?
No, but
kuringana na watho na yukuri ni ati gukia kwithirwa kwina account kire commercial bank ibati kwithirwa iri
no ite makwithirwa iri
practical ibati kwithirwa iri imwe ne ibati kwithirwa iri ya bechuche pandient
dikera kwire Gichunge no ndendi ba woni ni minister of finance ni nkomanya bro karaika manto yame auditor general bandika au they are not practical because bambere kuinde budget ina component idatu ina component yembe jiretu nenkairo from treasury our check allocation ikada ina component ya conditional grants kana ba change grants kuna ba chanda ninda the ninda they insist that be teacher chibitari all the ni chido china account separate from what we have, so it's a really a conditional is a requirement. Utemenyo spend from the normal other operations account. It's a requirement, my friend. You have to open an account. Ukayoga wambe jingi cha World Bank. You have to open a special account.
So many accounts do you have?
They are now averaging around 12. You cannot have
commercial banks.
We have some in central bank, na inge commercial bank, depending on the project.
12.
Yeah, about 12.
Well,
yeah.
So.
But the question is this: is there money that has been lost?
How do we know?
No, mabiro transa gure yakwa ndakure account kakwenda with the chichurite ndekorega kwanta kueleza chomite cha renya chere
bwana DG account isawa no chedro ichi previous government
yes
no chedro ichi government irenge
yes.
But then kuringana na urabwa twirete boyu kumetene ni ati bukainga marinyera yonde mbeze chumba kwithira ikiuraira you know, and this one could be one of them kwithira dirikari ki operate na commercial banks which is against sheria ya kigena ya mwaka ya 2015 you know, it is against that, but then itukuona operate account mirongo ile ijire kuma kire commercial
ndakwira atiri there is no money that utebe chachurite na account che we are now maintaining account that chi kuringa na sheria ibirite kwa maintained yeah itore ingire you know ndo kwa amanda internet yere na bid conciliation is not a problem anymore.
So bwana DG at some point no rere michara na mitaratara ile imwe atumire manual na enge atumira payslip kiri ureni bwa mbecheji ni kuonekanira ati ngirima thatu antu ni bari michara double becha ngirima thatu ne ri double ya michara kuringana na report yeji
ngirima thatu na
yes
ina na udoma
iliwatire resulting to double payment of 315 okay but what today a comparison of sampled payments kire page 4 ya report yeje iliwa a comparison of sampled payments made through the two payrolls reveals that an early childhood development education ECD teacher had been paid in both IPPD and the manual payroll for July and August 2017, resulting to a double payment of that 1,500.
And that one no kwa green another too.
Sorry, slip of the tongue.
Imundo mare to say it's a mistake and the money has since been recovered.
So
kwa tangirima that ndarigara.
Ni mtoto atumaira manual payroll.
Manual payroll that has been the system, but to see what happens kunymoita IPPD kunymoita wa a number.
Is it really
no
dikera
anko elese tina chi generator wani Directorate of Personnel Management DPM from the national government. Unfortunately we take number we are forever itere yanwa, so that is the problem. Even now as you speak slowly they are being cleared, so ginya pro de no to time viri nende yeah, but the only case that happened they were that 1,000 watu kana arirwe no tunare kunenkrwa number lakini I think mtu amiki mistake area bwatete bonke that was only mistake that 1,000 na ne recovered
So bwana DG yoro senator na rawetere manje ya tender iri kwa yano arua a lot of foreigners ni bakwa wa tender na Meru batekunika hao. Then again kwethro kwina cases chia tender chia mbechi nyingi which the youth, the women and the disabled maybe batiomba kwa phone. For example, ikaringanirwa ngwe ya Amwathi nara kwetu, ikaringanirwa ya Ntima West, ikaringanirwa ya Bogeta East, and then it comes to around 30 million irantiomba kwa phone. Why can't we separate? Kidro ni Amwathi ibwithire tenda yayo, kidro ni something ire kwendekana ya Amwathi ibwithire tenda yayo ya 1 million kana ya 500,000 which I can afford.
Okay, pambera hantu senator arugire mantu ya foreigners. Well, as I said, this is my friend, but maybe when come with foreigners, very cool. Not as far as I am concerned. Tender yingi over 95% actually ichi nenkaranto loko, honestly. So nteko mena yo umete na kedera ya rombanya office of the maybe nyonde tajero raise that issue. So that is a statement nteko mena ina umete. Lakini yanko iroma, the only tender that we gave out to the so-called Ferona, the Davis and Shatleaf. Davis and Shatleaf is the biggest company in Africa, my friend. Came Antoarui. Na tutenda go chance na Antoarui toreta just a quack. Muntu tutuko mewaka litango my friend ogeta kuona mbao si temeura chiona boya kama my friend. Moja elite breakari. You know, 44 panels done to the highest standards. It went to go like case study in I think in Africa. So tutenda go cheda nani. So we wanted to get the best company. Na to inge bado wani ya kato nangana but you see utem nuri kuombo do na capacity in Meru urari bidongo gi so ngenge echa won fund cheri to ne anto loko na actually yango Roma even recently cabinet we presented a brief to the cabinet to Meru county cabinet to was strictly non remonto atrima maybe mtu na kumanto amboi maybe mtu akumakanga etakare kwa contract no Amiru wetu tutokorega lakini turugirende kwanza ndi turendo bikulusu kabisa unless capacity ke yakudurete within anto amboi ward kana ete within mwangathia kwa any other ward muntu bwa anto bwa rutokone wa kunenko karatas and that has been approved by the cabinet. There is a document already approved to make sure non to the whole idea ranga bana arene yo 20 million ere to make sure that it's spread 20 million across the county kaenda mwananchi wonde Meru na arare na contractors betu nandi bombo tetheka kintu kiraki combine wa kidogo non to kinya to execute these projects no mwanga to with kulingana sheria ile moya pipes kana manto ya matanki for instance MCA kiri 20 million ya kwa lokiti maybe pipes chiangiri mana atano ngwa kwa pesa chiangiri so teme yako kuwitha tende pipe ikomi chanto ambo I pipe angaiga na pipe kana so kende te tatura iri onde to queries ibu to ma ire mo combine no only where there are those small items being procured from every ward na chi to encourage as much as possible contractors fakuma se one region kedere ya Tigania West kenede ni Wembe North bakwatane so that is really what we do.
I thought the pipes na roi each one then it's ya kumakiri obichi ya governor and dot
no you see 20 million but bitu kubite ni manto abone 20 million anto ibakara MCA na karande na committee wala ward development committee where the MCA no patron ibakara baka wenende kwena community project ya bataona pipes kana kwenda itangi bako to allocate 500,000 kwena barabara kwenda kubita 3 million ana bakwenda mbasari 2 million this and that iwa baba abu MCA benambi project ikaro department ine chietu kederi manto ya roi over and above ito tutumina chia kunja bo irembe cha tofauti